Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Telegram account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into Telegram account. Once you're there, you click on these three dots, after which you click on what settings. After that you scroll down and you click on Telegram FAQ. So once you get here, you simply need to search to look for deactivation page, that's deactivated page. So scroll down. Okay guys, once you're here, how do I delete my account? So you simply need to click on deactivation page. Okay, once you're here, you can see delete account. So you simply need to insert your Telegram number. So we're going to insert it. So after which you click on what next. So you make sure you enter your international code, that is beginning from +237. So I don't know for your own country. After that, you are going to receive a code in your Telegram account. So we'll just open this on a Chrome browser. So we'll go back to our Telegram account. So it just send us the code. So we simply need to copy the code. So after copying the code, you simply click on what? Log in. So guys, once you're here, you simply need to give the reason in which you want to delete your account. So after that, after deleting it, you are going to lose all your messages and your contact. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.